Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just got a new person that just joined. He said, thanks for looking forward to the journey of learning and setting up an indie trading infrastructure. That's what we're going to be focusing on over the next probably few months. This person's story, I've traded options the old fashioned way since 2003 and really need to move to the algo side. Again, more and more retail traders that come from the world of retail trading, technical trading are moving and understanding the importance of algorithms and automated trading. This is what he said. Life is so much stressful with the game plan and risk management already outlined, and we will be addressing that over the next few months. Okay, so when he mentioned options, I just want to show everybody something. I think for anybody out there, if you come under the youtube.com
Hey there, how's your trading
user,
going? Let me show you.
Quant Labs, come under the playlist here. What you'll find in there is, let's say, under premium membership. There you go. Look for this video here called
What fun is waiting at OLG Slots and Casino?
this Quant Elites Guided Tour. This was from a meetup I held, and a lot of people, well, not a lot, but a few people have watched it. In this video, I hint towards using both options and forex trading as a max payout. In this economy today, what amazes me is it's highly volatile. It will remain highly volatile for a while. As more and more shocks come into the global markets, specifically around probably maybe some kind of terrorism event, some kind of event out of maybe somewhere in China or Asia in itself. As more and more countries go negative with their interest rates in terms of currency wars, there's going to be more and more shocks in the system, which means the markets globally will not be stable and quiet. So there's going to be a lot more volatility in the markets. And that is a great way to take advantage of, especially around the world of forex trading. And that's where the big moves come into play with forex. So I really, over the long term, I really want to focus on options and forex, and really around volatility movements, and that's for max payout. With options, you have Greek analysis. I'll be showing some in the second phase of that on the futures and options course with all the different algorithms I'm going to introduce. And then the final phase, or the third phase, will be mostly about macroeconomic analysis around FX moves. So that's the direction we're going in. And when I say a couple of months, it's really more long term, probably over the next year. So that is one thing that is really, really good to look forward to. And I say options as well because there is a video out there put out by James Rickard, who also verifies that the moves in options can be big, like in multiples of 5, 7. I've seen many examples of that through various live examples that traders have shown me in virtually unknown assets, but the moves can be huge, and there can be automated trading systems built around that. And the same thing with forex as well. And with FX, I'll give you an example. I just put out a chart concerning Russia ruble, because these are more riskier currencies with the pair against the US dollar. The moves can be massive. For instance, with the Russian ruble, they have back a week ago an implied volatility of 30%. That's pretty big. Then there's other implied volatility on other currencies like the Turkish lira, the South African rand, and they were about 15%, and those will fluctuate pretty well daily on what's going on in the economy or GDP reports or whatever factors that will impact that country, and then obviously that impacts the country and its currency, and then you can make money off of those moves, and you can make big money, and we're talking like multiples of 20-30%, and these are the sort of things I want to focus on. Not the 2% daily or the 5%. I mean, not saying that they're bad. It's just I'd rather focus and have my money probably maybe in a higher risk situation, but that's what the analytics are for. Again, with automation, to sort of minimize that, because there's probably 4 ways to look at the markets with statistics, implied volatility, option chain data. You can use also obviously technicals, beta, which is a good measurement of risk, and there's so many other virtually mathematical approaches. So this is what I'm focused on, and that's why I like doing this, because I can scale up, and because I'm doing it in Python and have an entire course series around this, which is this, and I'm getting a few people interested in it. Actually, wrong one. Okay, let's go to the blog, and the best way to get to it is up here in the headline. You will notice in green, or actually in red here. Nope, we don't want that one. Let me just stop that. Yeah, so this is what you want, is the red one. This one. Okay, so now new live Python algo trading course. Of course, my luck is never sometimes on my side, but this is the page I want to take you to. So this entire page will walk you through the entire course. We've got two major sections. The first one is the building blocks on a trading infrastructure. This one. The next one is arbitrage trading, and it's this one, and that's going to focus probably for me. ETFs is something I'm looking at, and then this one I just mentioned is options and future trading algorithms. So that's what I'm referring to, and at the end of the whole end of it, it looks like I'll be, like I said, focusing on more options and FX for max payoffs. So if you want to get more details, just come to this site or to this page. Okay. Other than that, thanks to the person who wrote this and joined. Anyone else who joins, we got today is February 19th, Friday. I've purposely put this live algo trading countdown because, like I said, we're going to start in March 15th is the deadline, or the first week that we'll start doing this course. So I purposely put an actual countdown to that event, because that's how many days you'll have to prepare for the live component, and the whole purpose of it is to be able to provide question and answers on each step and each week as I go through it. And again, this page will explain that in pretty great detail on the different topics I'll cover. Okay, hopefully I'll help you out, and hopefully I'll see you there. And I'm always around to answer any questions you may have, but just come under or contact us and fill out all this info, and that comes to me directly. Other than that, have a good day.